This video will cover beginner part 1 questions regarding the topic of graphing sine and cosine functions. Before we start with the transformations of trigonometry functions, let's start by plotting the sine graph. Y equals sine of x, 0, 1, 0, minus 1, 0. Keep going, 1, 0, minus 1, 0. Then concave down, concave up, then down, up, then down. When I ask students to draw a sine graph, they struggle a lot at first. It's easy to see, but not easy to draw. First, let's think about just one cycle. Imagine that there is an invisible box here, from 0 degrees to 360 degrees, and from minimum to maximum. First, cut in half horizontally, then in half vertically, and cut in half again, and again. Now we have 8 identical boxes. Mark the points that must be passed through when drawing the graph. 0, 1, 0, minus 1, and 0. Then make the curve, concave down, and concave up. Now go through the graph and label the remaining necessary points. Since the pattern is the same, it will be easy to make the points. 1, 0, minus 1, 0, 1, 0. Then connect the remaining points to complete the graph. Concave down, concave up, concave down. How is it? Easy, right? Practice in this way, and after that, try to draw the graph continuously without plotting points until 90 degrees, then 180 degrees, then 270 degrees, 360 degrees. Keep going. Minus 1, 0, then 1, 0. How is it? Easier than the first, right? Now, let's consider the situation without the grid paper. Can you just try one cycle? Concave down and up. Then label the degrees. 180 degrees, 360 degrees, and 1, minus 1. This is y equals sine x. If you want more than 2 cycles, don't try to draw them all at once. Just draw them one cycle at a time. Concave down and up. Just keep the pattern and keep going. And another one. And one more cycle. Keep going. And then we can label 180 degrees, 360 degrees, 720 degrees, 540s, minus 180 degrees. 1, minus 1. Then let's draw cosine graph using the radian measure this time. The method is the same, so let's draw it in the sense of review. I will draw the cosine graph first. 1, 0, minus 1, 0, 1, 0, minus 1, 0, 1, 0, minus 1. Concave down and up, concave down and up. Keep going. Now let's see how to draw each component. Imagine that there is an invisible box here from 0 to 2 pi and from minus 1 to 1. Cut in half horizontally, then in half vertically, and cut in half, and again. Now we have 8 identical boxes. Mark the points that must be passed through when drawing the graph. The 1, 0, -1, 0, and 1. Then make the curve, concave down and up and down. Now go through the graph and label the remaining necessary points. 0, -1, 0, 1, 0, -1. Then connect the remaining point to complete the graph. Concave down and up, then down and up. See the pattern? 1, 0, -1, 0, and 1, 0, -1, 0. Now try to draw the graph continuously without plotting points. 1, 0, -1, 0. Again, 1, 0, -1, 0. 1, 0, -1. How is it? The second one is a bit easier, right? Now, let's consider the situation without the grid paper. Looking at the graph above, let's first draw only one cycle. Remember, 1, 0, -1, 0, and 1. This is y equals cosine x. Then 1, 0, -1, 0, and 1. 2 pi, pi, 1, and -1. Now we can draw more than one cycle. 1, 0, -1, 0. Then 1, 0, -1, 0. And 1, 0. The one cycle is 2 pi. Then second cycle is 4 pi. Then pi, 3 pi, 1, and -1. Keep going. Keep going. Since we can draw basic sine and cosine graphs, let's learn about period and amplitude in the next video. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, leave them in a comment below. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more.